Oh, easy now.
Sorry, I'm just...
All right, you pull the curls one after the other.
Sorry, I'm just...
All right? Look at them. Fitting so well in the palace.
She forgot about my birthday. She always... Oh, you know our mother and how she forgets my birthday. She remembered 3 days after.
Is that my daughter?
She says hi.
Oh, may I speak to her, please? Thank you. Hello, my darling. How are you? You're good? The Ofala is in 3 months' time. Are you coming home? Look, everyone is going to be there.
Sis, do not listen to mother, okay? Stay there. You know you are betrothed to allow single ladies like us find a husband in the Ofala festival.
Excuse me, now who told you that the Ofala festival is where maidens go to look for husbands?
Well then, mother, why do young people attend the festival if not to meet their match?
Don't mind your sister. So are you coming or not? Oh, really? When? Oh, well, like how long are you going to stay for? Okay, all right, I get you. Okay then, we'll speak later. Love you, bye.
Mom, you hung up. I wasn't done talking to her.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. You know, I was talking to my daughter. I got carried away.
So, when did she say she's coming back?
I'm not telling. It would be a surprise.
There you go. I knew it. That's the point. I wanted to ask her myself.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm done talking with my daughter. So when you see her, you see her.
Your daughter? So, who am I?
My daughter.
There we go.
Oh no, the gods have been good to all of us. You remember what happened this time last year when we celebrated my second daughter who bagged first class in one of the best universities in UK. And this time around, in less than a month, my first daughter, Adaeze, is going to complete her master's in Paris. Wow. As if that is not enough, our illustrious son, Somadina, the international footballer, received the best award in Africa. Can you imagine the way he was celebrated on TV?
Yes, you can say that again, Your Majesty. The gods have indeed smiled on us. They have blessed us with such a heritage of prestigious sons and daughters.
I pray that God will give us the privilege. We shall open our arms in warm embrace to our illustrious children. They will always return with trophies and glories from within and in the diaspora. Oh,
yes, Your Majesty. The Ofala festival is just by the corner. And my king really talked about it.
The Ofala is our Ofala. I am just your king. You are the Ono. I'm just the ceremonial head. I think it is our thing.
Oh, no, Your Majesty. I do not agree with that. You are not just the figurehead. You are our king.
Yeah, and the Ofala is yours. We can only do according to your bidding.
No, we don't go there. You are the Ono of this noble kingdom. I am just the ceremonial head. It belongs to all of us.
We have the Adaeze Eluke.
That's by the way. My son, Somadina, has promised that he is going to grace this year's.
Oh, it's coming home?
Yes.
My princess.
Wow.
Greetings, Father.
How are you?
Greetings
The
again.
princess of Amadike Kingdom.
The beautiful morning sun. the pride and the beautiful daughter of our time. The last from the womb of King's own wife. I am wanted to.
Ono is excited. He just told me that some Madonna will be joining us in this year's Ofala Festival.
Wow, that is amazing.
Amazing. So he told me over the phone.
Oh,
That would be wonderful.
Oh, I know you're gonna sweat in here.
I can't wait to see some Madonna.
Yes, I will phone him immediately.
Chidon, bring that food.
I'll not give you this food.
Bring that food, is my
Yes, I will not give you. You have eaten 3 times today. Only you.
How is that your concern? Have you not eaten?
I've eaten, but it's only once. You have eaten 3 times, and you're about to eat the 4th one before I caught you.
Chidon, bring that food here now.
There's nothing in this world that can make me give you.
Chidon, Nyanga, bring that food now.
I will not bring it.
Chidon,
Lie.
Chidon.
Give me your...
The company is moving very well to the permanent site. The new manager is doing absolutely very well, unlike the former one. Mr. Bollinson is nothing but a thief. Yes, he was busy siphoning the company's funds. Ever since I stopped him from working in that company, Father, everything has changed automatically. Everybody, the workers, they are all happy.
You see, life is all about symbiosis, mutual benefit, understanding. But some people are bent in being parasitic. They can never do anything good. They will never help you in anything. They can't contribute to anything. But they want to continue to be parasitic. Thank God. It is good that you discovered his irrelevance on time and took care of it. That reminds me. Have you finally found a woman that you want to marry?
Father, are we going to start up with this conversation again? How many times have I told you that I've not seen a woman for me? I've not seen the perfect woman that I will call my wife. Once I see this lady, you will be the first to know. I've told you severally, Father.
But son, you cannot just sit here and the perfect woman will come to your comfort zone. It's not done. It's not done. How do you expect to see the perfect woman when you don't even hang out?
Oh my goodness. Father, you all know that I am not the hanging type. I don't go out. I don't go to club. I don't go to the bar. Father, please, once I see this lady that befits me, you will be the first to know. I will let you know.
exactly where would you find this woman from? Yes. Oh, Father, maybe the maidens or the domestic staffs, because those are the only women he sees every day and every year.
Father, please excuse me. I will be in my chambers.
You're leaving. Father, why is he frowning his face and leaving? I just showed him.
What do you expect, my dear? Whenever marriage is mentioned, he becomes allergic.
He becomes allergic about marriage. So, Father, how does he intend to succeed you?
That is, if actually he wants to be the king of this kingdom. Your brother is a strange character. Not to worry, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
I can't understand why you should be making noise, disturbing neighbors. Because of
Papa, see the food there.
Keep quiet.
Sir?
I said keep quiet.
Papa, I brought this food for you to see. She has eaten 3 times today, and this is the first one. She won't eat it, but I will change.
If you utter more word here, I'm going to slap you. Are you getting me? Grace,
Sir?
take that food inside, Osiso.
Papa, I'm very angry. agree with you. I'm very angry with you. You have injustice. There's what injustice.
Let me tell you something. If you wake up in the morning, ask yourself, how will I get better? If you answer that question, you ask yourself, how will I, Chidon, get better?
Papa,
it is for your own good.
Do you know why I'm even angry? All the food that she has been eating in this house is not reflecting in her body. And I'm very angry too. Don't worry. I'll wait for my brother to come back. I'll tell him everything that you have been doing in this house.
You tell him everything like what?
Come as you are, everybody is equal. It's a Fala festival. It's not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having to go.
Sisimo, you're not looking bad at all.
Thank you.
Wait. So you and your cousin sister decided to pay me a surprise visit the same time?
I don't get it. Is Charity around?
No, not yet back. But she called me that she will be back today for this Ofala. So when I heard the sound of a bike, I thought she's even the one.
No, I'm the one.
Sisimo,
Auntie,
you're not looking back.
No, I can see you're going somewhere.
I'm going to church, but church can wait.
No,
another time.
Auntie Church.
Let's go.
Okay.
Now give me a hug again. You're looking.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go in. Tomorrow we can still go to church.
Auntie's church, oh.
Easy. Hey, now this bag is heavy.
Of course, I got something for you.
I know you've got so many things for me. Ow!
Come as you are, everybody is equal.
Yes, my son. We are trying in Nigeria. I know that the breeze in Europe is fantastic. Please, I don't want you to be getting injury there. Because I heard when you get injury, you will stop playing football. I am enjoying the name they call me. Your brother, it was like he went out to play football. Oh, okay, he's here already. Don't worry, I will send you your message across. He won't listen now. All right, we'll talk later. Is it, don't you rest at all? You play from the field, you play in the house here.
Papa, can you imagine?
What happened?
Score goal. 5 notes.
Are you sure? You are sure?
I'm tired.
I trust you. I trust you. International footballer like
Yes,
you. What is it?
Sir, ask this boy why he locked the kitchen and went out with the keys.
What? Is it true?
Sir?
Is it true?
Papa, ask this girl why she's looking for the kitchen keys.
Did you go out with the kitchen keys?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because I don't know what she wants to do with the kitchen key.
I want to make dinner.
You want to make dinner? By this time around?
No,
by this time around.
Now give me the keys. Give it to me.
Papa, I know why she used this key because
Get
you go inside that kitchen and go eat another food after her.
Your mouth. This is the goal you scored. Mischievous child. Every time you be playing all kind of nonsense game in my own house, you score 5 goals with this key. Take this thing and go and prepare something for him.
This time around, I'm in this house. My eyes are on you.
Come on, get that.
Fire. Papa.
You score 5 goals.
Come as you are, everybody is equal.
Sisimo. I hope you like the food. You know, you are used to fried rice, fried chicken, fried egg, all fried.
Auntie, what are you talking about? My auntie, you are still the best cook ever. I love it.
That was then the best cook ever then. Before Mr. Crunchies, Mr. Beast, and Mr. Dominion them come out.
Which one is Mr. Dominion again, Auntie? Which one is Mr. Dominion? Auntie, I enjoyed the food, please.
Oh, thank God you liked it.
I love it.
You enjoyed it.
And I love it.
Sisimo, back to our discussion. I can't just believe, I don't know why my sister is treating you this way. It baffles me. What is her problem?
Auntie, you need to see the kind of humiliation she made me face in presence of her stupid, whatsoever new husband. Honestly, I am sick and tired of my mom. I don't even know what got over her. She's just behaving anyhow.
The one that puts me off is why she abandoned the house you rented for her and left with another man.
Hey, Auntie, you are asking me why. Obviously, your elder sister is in love. She's in love.
In love?
Of course.
She even refused to follow you to come to the village.
Hey, you're still talking about the village. My mother doesn't pick my calls anymore. Like she doesn't take my calls anymore.
Sisi, tell me you are not serious.
I am serious.
Yeah. Anyway, that's by the way. Thank God you are here now. Your cousin sister, like I said earlier, she will be coming any of these days.
I can't wait to see her. Auntie, please. I don't just want my mother to know anything about this thing I just said right now. I don't want you to tell her.
She no longer beats you, and you are now a big girl. Not that small girl she was bossing around. So you don't need to fear.
Auntie, I understand. I just don't want the issue getting escalated. Okay, it's even more reason why I came to this village to cool my head and stay for Fala festival.
What if she comes to the village?
She comes. And she didn't make any troubles. Then I'll stay and manage.
And if she does?
Then I walk away.
Anyway, we don't pray for that.
Okay.
We don't pray for that. Now tell me. Tell me the man that is responsible for this beauty.
Auntie, stop. No, man.
Tell me.
Just stop. Stop, Auntie. You're making me shy. Stop.
I know you won't hide it from me.
Don't worry. I'll tell you later, not now.
Good. Now, let's go to the backyard. I want to show you something.
Come on, everybody is here. It's a Fala festival. It's not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having to everybody.
Okay, you know that the costumes need to be ready long before the Ofala. And the dancers, are you expecting anyone?
No.
That looks like Prince Mizia's camp.
Yeah, it's the one. It's a wizard.
All hail the prince.
What am I saying? Francisca, how are you?
Fine.
Long time. So, Mama, my childhood friend is back and you hid her from me. Huh?
My hands are clean. I did nothing like that, so spare me. It's not been long she came in.
Are you serious? Are you sure?
I don't know. Just tell me who told you I came.
Have you forgotten I'm the prince of this land?
Oh.
I know everything.
So what are you feeling like? A super boy. My prince, please. Let me not keep you standing. Let's go in so I can give you color.
Right, after you. No calls, no text message. Nothing from you.
I just want to relax. Seriously, I should my head.
Really?
Yeah. No, stop! I don't like it. Honestly, I don't like it. You started again.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
So where's the food? Grace, why are you doing this to me? Why are you dodging me? What is it?
I am not dodging you, but
you don't, nothing like but. You don't have any reason. Nothing. So why are you denying me of my rights? Why?
okay, I will come tomorrow.
Tomorrow is far. I can't wait till tomorrow. Don't you get it?
What's this boy doing here? Hey! What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I should be asking you that.
She's asking
What are you doing with this banana-less monkey?
Will you shut your disjointed mouth? How dare you call me names? In Apuala.
They called.
Do you want me to slap you to your maternal home?
That's never happen. If you want to talk short, try go there.
Chidon, do you know who you're insulting?
Can you imagine this little
You don't
rat?
have respect.
Your banana-less monkey now. Oh yeah, Shilo. But Shilo.
Who is this boy?
Shilo.
Chidon.
Nga take short, Shilo. Nga take short, he can shame.
Will you stop before I slap the life of you? What is wrong with this little rat?
Chidon.
Will you stop it? Stop!
Chidon.
Jesus Christ. Are you mad? Do you want me to slap hell out of you? How dare you?
Look, God.
If you ever try this nonsense with me again, I will slap you back to your maternal home. See, it's like you want me to cut off this your cheek for you. Nonsense. Try it again with me. Rubbish. Baby, let's... Excuse you? It's again, eh? Chidon, what did you just say? What did you... Jesus Christ. Can you imagine this boy?
I can imagine. Walk now.
Yes, the Ofala is the peak of everything else that usually happens in our community. And the king takes so much pride in it, so are we his subject. And he says, you must not miss this Ofala. Your Majesty, your son sends his regards.
Tell him that I said he should not miss this Ofala festival, especially now that it's festival for all. It's for everybody, please. He shouldn't miss it. Tell him that I said so.
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes, the king has decided to throw this Ofala open, not only for the noble families, but also for the peasants and for the have-nots. Yes, and he said that you must not miss this year's Ofala above every other thing in the world. Eh? Your Majesty, he said you will not miss it. Yes, okay, later I'm still with the king. We'll talk later. Thank you. Your Majesty, excuse me. When you said that you are going to invite both the peasants and the have-nots, were you serious or you were just saying this to enthrall our son Somadina?
I am not trying to enthrall anybody. I'm only trying to give everybody in my kingdom sense of belonging. That is all I'm trying to do. Yes.
Your Majesty, I am enthused for hearing this. In fact, this is the greatest news that I've ever heard in the history of this great kingdom. Yes, and I'm happy about that. But my utmost concern is, how long will this continue, Your Majesty?
I can only speak for myself. I can't speak for other kings. I cannot even speak for my son, Prince Mezia, no. The only thing I want to do, I want to enshrine this in this kingdom, make it traditional, that in my own time, Ofala festival will not only be for the nobles, the black and the blue blood, No, but for peasants and for have-nots in my kingdom.
Your Majesty, I agree with you.
It is no more going to be for the blue bloods alone.
I see.
Huh? It's going to be traditional.
I see.
The way you are eating this ground.
This great news is enough to make me behave like a kid.
Drink.
I know.
Make yourself comfortable.
Oh
no. No, it's high time we change the tide of time.
I know who you are.
Come as you are, everybody is equal.
Chidon, please.
What is it?
Please don't tell your father.
Tell my father what?
You know what I'm talking about. Don't tell him.
I beg, I will talk. Yes, I will talk.
Please now. Chidon. Okay, I will add 2 meat inside your food lunch.
Grace, do you know what you are? You're a disgrace.
No problem. You can call me anything you want to call me. I accept.
From now on, I'll be calling you disgrace and I will still talk.
Chidon, please now. I'm begging you now. Don't tell your father now. Chidon. This boy is giving me headache in this house. He's the only problem I have in this house. Thank God.
Well, Father, I think this is a welcome development. I mean, everybody is happy about this. They now regard you as the one and only true king.
Was there ever a time they never regarded him as such?
Mother, you don't understand my point.
What exactly is your point?
What I'm trying to say is this. When a people's participation in cultural and traditional development is welcomed, they get encouraged and they wield into allegiance to royalty. And this itself is sacred.
Good, my prince. There is a total sense of truism in what you just said.
But if we throw your father open to everyone, I mean including peasants, where then is the place for class, royalty and blue blood? I thought that itself is considered sacred.
Nena.
Father.
I am always happy that you are very articulate, especially in the things that bother us on the royal household. I'm enamored. My daughter, royalty comes from the gods. And royalty is not measured by classism or societal prominence. Royalty is all about giving to the people sense of belonging. The same thing that would have separated you from the people brings you and the people together. That is royalty, my
Father, I don't think Princess Nena here is the right person you should engage in this conversation. I think Adaeze is the right person you should have this conversation with, not her.
Why do you always like to bring your sister down at every given opportunity? It's not nice.
I don't think my prince is picking on anybody. He's only trying to teach her how to
be fearless of myself. Prince Mezier always makes me feel as though I am not intelligent.
The question is, are you intelligent?
Stop, my prince. Stop talking to your sister that way. My daughter, never mind. Soon and very soon, your elder sister will be back. And both of you will encamp against him. Yes. How can you be talking to somebody that has an elder sister? Do you have any brother? Be very careful.
Oh, talking about Princess Adaeze's homecoming, I think I'll send the maids to clean out her room. Because the last time I visited that room, it was a den of cobwebs.
That's why you're a wonderful housewife.
I'm not just a housewife. I manage your affairs.
You don't want to eat your food?
What?
Eat.
After upsetting her.
Yes. So you don't know how to.
Excuse you? Yeah? When you could that thing?
Mama could that say, you know.
Wait. Me or Bon should greet you, you this little rat. Let me ask you one question. Between both of us, who will greet each other?
You. You will greet me. You know why? Somadina, the richest man in this village, is my brother. Yes, that is why you should greet me.
Wait, I should condescend so low, me or Bon to greet you. Kijibronye.
Kenjibro one of the richest, you know. Don't worry. When Somadina will come back to this village, you will know what this village is. Okay?
Listen, let me tell you. Somadina is my best friend. There is nothing you or anybody can do to spoil our relationship. You cannot do anything.
See you. Okay. Let me make it clear to you. Somadina is your friend, Abby?
My best friend, not just my friend.
Okay,
my
right.
bestie.
Alright. Bestie? Alright. And he's my brother. If you get now. Okay, if you get. He's your best friend. And he's my best brother. You're gonna be Mungo now. Mungo.
Yeah. Come back here. Me, Mugu. This little boy. See, the dad will beat you. Chidon, the dad will beat you, I will break those two legs that look like rabbits. Me, Obun should greet you. Jesus Christ. Don't worry. I will get you again. Don't worry yourself.
This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having.
Father, cheers. It's a good life.
Son.
Father.
Whenever I witness this dispute between you and your sister, it reminds me of the days of my elder sister and myself. It used to be cat and dog relationship. We never agree.
Father, you know you have never finished this particular story of yours whenever you start it. So tell me now, I'm all ears.
My elder sister had this gender problem. She never wished in her life to be a woman. She wanted to be a man because she has this ambition of becoming the king of the kingdom after the reign of your grandfather.
You know what I think? I feel African traditions are too obsolete. Your sister wanted to be the king of the land. And her ambition is to become the king. So why was she not given the opportunity to rule?
It is not in the place of a woman to dominate over man. A woman can never rule over man. The river never runs on hills. It is not done.
You call that dominate?
Yes.
I don't think the right word is dominate. Father, I feel that most African men are too insecure whenever a woman is on top.
No. But that was then, not now. Tradition is tradition. And the river never runs on hills.
That is exactly my problem here. You see, instead of us to change tradition is changing us year after year. And you think we shouldn't do something about it?
I have discovered one thing, son. Every of your discussion gears towards you escaping from your responsibilities. Son, why is it that you don't want to get married?
Father, right now you are the one changing this conversation. You know your son too well. I will want to do whatever I choose to do. Talking about marriage, Father. So marriage is part of customary responsibilities.
To a large extent, son, it is. Marriage is. But I think we have to stop this discussion because I've discovered that both of us can never agree. I want to drink.
Father.
You can never run away from your shadow.
It's okay, but I will still wait and hear everything you have to tell me about this, your sister.
Come and tear my mouth.
This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having it.
Chama, my baby, my baby.
Eh? What did he say?
I know my baby again.
So, is this your big size that is making you feel like a man? Am I your mate?
Wait though. Is it because I'm talking to you? So I don't know you are even supposed to greet me.
Ew! Greet you!
See, forget my size. If you cross my way, I'll crush you.
Are you talking to me?
Crushing material.
Something is wrong with this boy. Something is wrong, certainly wrong with you. So it's because of this your size. Just try this nonsense next time. If I will not let you like a balloon. Nonsense. Rubbish.
This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles.
My love, where is that little rat?
I don't even know where that one went to. I think he's not around.
Really? Okay, shall we go in?
But I'm afraid though.
Afraid of what? Come on, see, listen. Don't worry, we'll do very fast before any of them comes back. Let's just go in.
Are you sure?
Don't worry, let's just...
Okay, let's go.
I will show people that I am Chidon. I will show. Let me go for my training joke.
This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having it.
Who locked the door?
I don't know.
So where is the key?
I don't know. The key is always on the door.
So who took the key?
Let me check the back door.
Hold up, because then who took the key out of here?
Who is in the house? Is there nobody in my house again? Grace! Who is inside? Jidon! What is going on? What is happening? Grace!
This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having it. Come as you are, everybody is equal.
Sit down. Where is Grace?
Thank God you're back.
I said, where is Grace?
Papa, now you see Grace.
What do you mean?
Somebody come down now, you see Grace now.
Sit down. You know you're always mischievous.
Why did you lock me inside? Eh?
Why?
Don't try it next time.
I better not shout. What did I just you can't come inside?
Who? What are you talking about?
What you can't come inside? Where you hide them? Go bring them out. Because Papa there.
Which one is I should go and bring up him out? There's nobody here. It's only me. Why did you lock me inside? Don't try it, oh.
Hey, stop pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. But don't worry. Let me cast you.
That's true.
If no name. Fire! Where are you?
So this boy saw us and he locked us inside this house.
Grace, where were you that I was knocking? You couldn't open the door.
Papa! What you should do here?
What? So in my own house? What were you doing right inside my house? So, Grace, is this what you're doing in my house? Explain what? Explain what? Now let me tell you something. You are leaving this house this moment. And you, I am going to call the vigilante.
No, sir, I came to play football.
The vigilante will punch you.
No, I came to play football.
Bring my small phone.
You came to play football?
Yes, I came to. Sir, I came to. Sorry, sir.
Bring my small phone. Bring my small phone. Let me call vigilante.
I came to play. I came to play football.
Bring my small phone.
I will kill you. I came to play.
I will kill you. No. Lock it. You will be bundled by the vigilante. In my own house.
Boy, I beg.
Get me my small phone. Let me call the in my house.
Yes.
When is my house a football field? So my house is now a football field. You people are taking advantage that my son is an international footballer. So everybody wants to mess around with me.
For both peasants and have a to
Grace.
Come as you are, everybody is equal.
Now. Talk to me now, what is it? Come now, I want to talk to you, Grace.
I will not.
Grace, stop now, I want to talk to you. What is your problem? What is it?
Can you leave me again?
What is it? What have I done to you?
Don't stop me again. Don't try it.
Grace, please, I want to ask you for a favor. Just hear me out. What have I done to you?
They have warned me to stay away from you. If I must retain my job.
Who are they?
You're asking me.
See, I know. Grace! What is wrong with you? What have I done to you? What have I done to you, Grace? Grace!
It's a fun festival. It's not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and have a to Come as you are, everybody is equal. compromise, a man of integrity. Okuono Okugo. Asaga de love, taki, puche.
Hey! Savannah! Hey! Master!
Bob of Life.
I'm happy to see you, son.
Bob of Life.
I am happy to see you, son.
I'm excited to see you.
Samantha!
I'm happy.
Hey, Bulu. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, you still remember that?
Of course, I still remember this.
So you finally give up a premiership league to come to your fatherland?
No place like home.
I'm happy, son.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
You look younger. How are you?
The little dollar you
Just come get my bag.
Hey.
Yes, one of them. Yeah, this is one of them. Yeah.
You bought this car as soon as you came back?
Yes, sir.
You keep surprising people. You keep surprising people.
Father, let's go in.
You're
welcome. How is the Igwe?
Igwe is doing fine. In fact, everybody is expecting you, including the villagers. I will prepare him for Fala.
Yes, Igwe Sofala.
That is why we want you to come and witness it. After so many years in Europe.
I need to see the Igwe.
People are already calling me the son of football.
This is my dream! I'll leave it for you.
I'll leave it.
Come on.
So boys, if I throw this ball, you chest, trap and give it back to me. Alright, let's go. Move it. Let's go. Alone. Let go. Yeah. Let go. Move it. Let go.
I'm happy to see you people again.
Thank you very much.
See Ronaldo, Eburi Sinab. Messi, Eburi Sinab. Balotelli is a black man. So if they can, you can.
Sure. One best.
So don't give up. Never give up on your dreams.
Thank you very much.
No. Now who give up? Fuck off.
I swear.
I call it stages of life.
Exactly.
From here to the next level, to a bigger field, to international study.
Respect. Hey!
Our international footballer. I'm happy. You're welcome.
You're welcome. How are you? Good to see you.
I know you must have stopped by to see your boys at the field.
Yes, I stopped by and I did the needful.
You don't mind also. We could have been here some hours ago, but he's just there talking to those lazy youth and throwing money at them.
You call them lazy youths? If your brother here can afford to make about 5 of our youths successful like him, I think the glory is ours.
Exactly. Okay, Igwe, what if he takes them today and they don't return? Or what if they reach there and turn to Tiger Station?
So many what ifs and what ifs and what ifs. Eh? Your elder brother here never dragged the name of the man that took him to stardom to become a successful footballer to the mud. So they will not drag his own to the mud. He is successful. And I expect his boys to be successful too. Lastly, he came back unhurt. So they will equally come back. Son, I am very, very happy with your good intentions. You have my support. If there's anything your king can do to contribute in any way, please do not hesitate to let your king know.
Well, I can't believe they're supporting this.
Chidon, your king must be in support of anything that is positive. I am comfortably in support of you, my son. Just go ahead and do the needful.
I'm grateful, Your Highness.
Thank you, my son.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Shall we?
Oh, come on.
There's no way you would leave without spending some time with us, quality time.
Item 7.
You know.
My son, this calls for a wonderful banquet. Let's just go in.
All right, Your Highness.
Come on. Yeah, I'm happy. Stupid.
Chidon, no, bouncing the ball inside the house, please. Okay, Chidon.
Bonjour, how are you? Oh my God, you guys look so good. Oh my God.
How are you?
Look at you. Dad! Oh my God.
How is Parry?
Parry is good.
Man, you're not looking bad at all.
You too. Look at you. Hey, baby. You look so beautiful. Thank you. My baby.
Oh my God, I've missed you.
I missed you so much.
Looking good.
I'm very happy. This calls for celebration immediately.
Yeah.
I'm going to throw a banquet right away. Let's go in.
Okay,
Good to have. Come on. Come on.
Mother,
Mom.
see her shoes.
I saw all my money.
Your money has finished, right?
My money.